Could God, in his infinite power, make it the case that 2 plus 2 equals 5? Well, heck, he's infinitely powerful. I guess why not? Could God, in his infinite power, make adultery a virtue? Well, I guess. I mean, he's declared adultery to be bad, but could he declare it something good? I suppose he could. Well, of course not. Because you're driving a wedge thereby between God's power and God's manner of being. Can God sin? Well, of course God can sin. God is infinitely powerful. Heck, I can sin. Why couldn't God sin? Of course, God can't sin. It would be repugnant to his manner of being. Therefore, it's no restriction on God's power to say God can't make 2 plus 2 equal to 5. Because 2 plus 2 being equal to 4 is simply a participation in the truth that God is. Thus, God's power cannot be at odds with God's manner of being.